right before the ed school, I was working at TED. I was a senior manager of speaker development and learning, which is a fancy way of saying that I was developing learning experiences and coaching speakers to be able to have impactful and influential talks.
Hey, how's it going?
Just wanted to go over just some of the script like we talked about
I was
last
doing what I felt like was great work. I was learning, I was developing, but there were parts of the work that I felt disconnected from my purpose. My purpose in a way that when I was an educator, when I was in the classroom, like I just knew why I'm showing up every day, the impact this is having, and that fire was there and I was building it. And so part of my decision to come to the ed school was because I wanted to reinvigorate that passion and that fire. Orate is an app that I designed here at Harvard and I'm currently developing. It focuses on demystifying, through gamification, demystifying the science and art of effective communication and public speaking. What I found, not only in my work at TED, but as an educator, and just as navigating through life, is that a lot of people are challenged by how to effectively communicate. When I say communicate, it means influence or motivate or to express an idea clearly where other people get it. And the way that we kind of deflate that balloon or take away some of the risk of public speaking is make it a game, right? How do we gamify it so that people see it less of a challenge and maybe see it more of an invitation to play? The ed school gave me amazing courses and theories and frameworks like designing and producing media for learning with Joe Black. And that is where I built Orate. It almost seems fantastical or like dreamlike because had I not taken some of these courses or even come to the ed school, I might not have this product that I was able to walk away with and this clarity, and definitely maybe not this purpose.